Hi, this is Manjunath Chandraya. Welcome back to the channel. Today's session we'll be learning how to use the autofills. Autofill is an option where we can um, get the series of numbers. Let's say we have one. We drag it down, so it is coming as one, right? So instead of you want to get it as numericals, hold Control, drag it down. So now we will get the order, right? Similarly for 100 and 150. So if you want to get the every 50 they change, just select, drag it down. So obviously you'll get the 50 change here. So it is not this way. You can pull it this way also. Now it is come 100. We can hold Control and drag it now. So it is changing for every single number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holding Control it will work. Otherwise, if you don't hold Control, it will come as normal numbers. See. Okay. So there is one more option we can use. Let's say we have a date. Let's say today is the date. So the end date would be 30th of 2026. So for that you could go to home, go to the series, click on it. So since we need it in column wise, select column here. So need a see if you had taking the dates, we need the weekdays. Weekdays means it will ignore the weekends. If you want the weekends, then keep it as day here. If you want to ignore the weekends, you can select this start step 1. So one value means everything one day, each day it will add. We change it to every 2 days it will jump. Say 23, 25, 27. Let it be 1. So end would be like September 2026. Let's see. So now you see immediately when I hit enter, automatically it has taken till September 1st, 2026. It is very easy to use, and even you want it in a row wise, you can get it. See now it is taking the dates here, so that you can use it. And next we can go into the next sheet. See example, we have the names here. We need to get the month of each month. So if I put Jan here, so hold, just drag this towards the right. Now you can see it is taking here. Similarly, if you take it and drag it down, see now it is working. So why see when you put January or even a month, if you put it as a Monday, so drag it down, so it will show you Monday. These things are already defined, so only we able to drag it if we are getting it. So example, I have finance, marketing, sales, payable, receivable, accounting and storage. I want to set this as a constant. So if I take this finance, add it, drag down, I should not get all finance, I should get all this information. How to customize the autofills? So you can go to file, options, advances, just scroll down, go to the general options, formulas, calculations. See, this is general. Come here, says edit the custom list. So custom list already built for weekdays, the Sundays, Jan and January, short form and the full form. So I need to add this one. So you can go here, import, click here, select the range and import. So once you import, it is taken here. See all this list has been added. So when I take OK, I click on finance, and if I take this plus point and drag it down, so I'll get the sales, marketing and these things. Evenly if I pull this towards the right, similarly it gives the same information. It's not only this, anything you can add as a customized autofill that you can use in your reports. I hope this was helpful. Let's move on to next. So we have a data here. Say example, we need to multiply this with this, so amount. Rather than copying this till down, so before doing that, you can what you can do is just select, double click, automatically runs down the data. This will happen only when there is a adjacent column as the data, or towards the right or left should have data. So here in J column we have data. So that's the reason when you double click on it, automatically it takes the formula till the data exists. This will work only when there is either side some data. Okay. I hope this autofill function was helpful, and do let me know for any other things. I'll create a video on it. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.